So today you're going to do two sections, the last two, and you're going to get a palette, cardboard palette with the primary colors on it. So you're going to start off on color, and this is acrylic paint, so it doesn't wash out of your clothes, but also when we're cleaning the brush, there's an extra thing that you need to do. So first, I'm going to put some blue down here. You're just making a color wheel. You don't need much blue. Got a lot on my brush, so I'm going to move some of that blue over here and over here. And then I'm going to wash my brush. So to wash your brush, you're going to take the brush all the way to the bottom of the bucket, so you're rubbing it back and forth on the bottom, swishing it around. Not smashing it and twisting it, but just swishing it around. Then kind of dry it on the side. And then you're also going to, on the newspaper, brush out any extra water. This will also help clean it some more if you didn't get it quite all the way clean, because water doesn't mix with this kind of paint. So I'm going to take some yellow now and place that here. And while I have yellow on my brush, I'm also going to stick some right there and some right here. And I'm going to wash my brush again the same way. Brush it off on the newspaper and go into the red. Put that on my color wheel on my paper. Move some red there and also move some red here. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix this. So remember, yellow and red make orange. I don't quite have enough yellow, so I'm going to wash my brush so I can grab some more yellow. You and your partner need to share the palette. It looks a little orange on camera, but it looks even more orange in person. So I've got orange, so I'm going to put that in between the yellow and the red. Wash my brush. Mix the yellow and the blue, which makes green. And I'm going to place that between the yellow and the blue on my paper. And next I'm going to mix the blue and the red, which is going to make purple, which does not look purple at all on camera, but really does in person. Okay, so I'm going to place that next to, in between the red and the blue. And then you're done with the color wheel. So I'm going to start with blue. You've got white on your palette too. So I'm going to start with a solid blue. I'm going to grab a little bit of white, mix that in with the blue over here. Do another line, grab a little more white. So it's a little bit lighter now. It's not quite light enough, so I'm adding some more white in the top. And you're going to keep going back and forth like that so that you have 5 shades. Now I've got enough blue in my brush that I'm just going to the white instead of to the blue. So I've got 1 shade, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shades. Okay. Once you're finished, it goes over to the counter. When the table is finished, you're going to rinse out your brushes and change the water. And have a seat for the bow.